Hello and welcome to Keyk. Today I'm preparing a delicious Nutella Mascarpone cream-filled cake covered in a chocolate glaze and decorated with chopped almonds. Let's start with the recipe. The base of this cake is made of a European-inspired sponge cake to which I recently published a detailed instructional video, but I'll repeat the process here again. For the biscuit cakes, I beat about 6 eggs with 230 grams of sugar and a pack of vanilla sugar for about 15 minutes in a stand mixer. Then I carefully fold in 270 grams of flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. I distribute the batter in 2 20cm aluminum cake pans and bake them at 170 degrees Celsius for about 19 minutes. I let them cool overnight and then cut them in half with my Wilton leveler. For the Nutella cream filling, I'm using 500 grams of mascarpone, 5 tablespoons of Nutella, and 80 grams of powdered sugar. I simply combine all the ingredients in a stand mixer and let it blend for about 3 minutes. To ensure that the biscuit cakes don't dry, I prepare a milk syrup made with 150 grams of milk and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. I let it heat for about 2 minutes so that the sugar dissolves and then let it cool completely. Now I'm ready to bring it all together. On each cake, I distribute a little bit of the milk syrup, especially on the edge of the cake because those tend to dry the most. Then I add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of Nutella cream filling between each layer and spread it to the edge of the cake. I cover the cake completely with the cream, leaving about 2 to 3 tablespoons aside, and I'm going to place the cake into the fridge for about 10 minutes and then use the remainder of the cream to completely cover the cake. Then I place it in the freezer for about 10 minutes to let the cream set completely. Meanwhile, I melt about 200 grams of dark couverture over a water bath. As soon as the chocolate has melted, I add in 120 grams of butter so that the couverture cools faster, has a nice shine, and that it doesn't harden too much on the cake. I stir the glaze until it cools down to room temperature. To cover the cake with chocolate glaze, I lift the cake off of my work surface by placing it on a bowl. Next, I pour the delicious chocolate glaze on my cake. To decorate the cake, I sprinkle about 80 grams of chopped almonds on the cake. Finally, I place the cake in the fridge for about 2 hours to let it set, and then I'm ready to enjoy it with a cup of tea. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.